Joe Barton from Ramp, the Dennis Advertising Agency, with today's Monday Morning Marketing Minute. Today I want to talk about budgeting. The vast majority of companies in the United States allocate anywhere from 5 to 10% of their gross revenue to advertising. However, in dentistry, that can fluctuate a little bit. An example is if you live in a large city like New York and produce $1 million a year, you're going to want to be closer to the 10% because of how much media costs in such a large market. Conversely, if you're a practice in Idaho Falls producing the same $1 million, because of the size of the market, you could probably do 5% or less. To learn more about Ramp, go to rampresults.com or give me a call at 1-800-620-RAMP, Ramp.